Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Lihazgul, your well-wisher, welcomes you in the next lecture. I am going here to tell you about a viewpoint about the topic which I am going to teach you today. So, a few points about the topic. What do you think a leader is? A leader is a person who leads. A leader is a person who guides you. A leader is a person who leads you for the achievement of the desired objective. Why do you think Quaid-e-Azam is a great leader? Because there are so many answers. There are a lot of views by which you can say that Quaid-e-Azam is a great leader, because he worked day and night to win Pakistan, because he worked for the attainment of Pakistan. He sacrificed his life. He sacrificed his life for the achievement of Pakistan. So we are going to start reading. We will explain different kind of views in this lesson, in this chapter. We will explain different words. We will explain phrases that are included in this lesson. We will translate idiomatically from English into Urdu, and as well as we will translate word to word. It was August 7, 1947, when a silver aircraft circled over the airport of Maripur, Karachi. 7 अगस्त 1947 को when a silver aircraft, जब एक चांदी सी सफेद हवाई जहाज सर्कल चक्कर लगाता रहा ओवर द एयरपोर्ट ऑफ एट मारीपुर के हवाई अड्डे पर, कराची के। यानी 7 अगस्त 1947 को एक चांदी सी सफेद हवाई जहाज ने कराची मारीपुर के हवाई अड्डे पर मामूल के चक्कर लगाते रहे। एयरक्राफ्ट, हवाई जहाज, एरोप्लेन, हवाई जहाज। एयरक्राफ्ट, American use aircraft for aeroplane and British use aeroplane, हवाई जहाज। सर्कल, दायरे में चक्कर लगाना। द एयरपोर्ट एट मारीपुर के हवाई अड्डे पर, कराची की 7 अगस्त 1947 को एक चांदी सी सफेद हवाई जहाज ने कराची मारीपुर के हवाई अड्डे पर मामूल के चक्कर लगाए। It was watched by a vast excited crowd while smoothly landing. इसे एक वसी यानी बड़े एक्साइटेड पुरजोश क्राउड हुजूम ने देखा। यानी इसे एक बड़े और पुरजोश हुजूम ने देखा। while smoothly landing, आराम से उतरती हुई। यानी आराम से उतरती हुई इसे एक बड़े और पुरजोश हुजूम ने देखा। वास्ट, वसी, एक्साइटेड, पुरजोश, एक्साइटमेंट, जोश, जज्बा, वलवला। स्मूथली लैंडिंग, स्मूथली मीन्स आराम से। It is an adverb. We have already explained what is an adverb in the previous classes, and it is a manner adverb because it shows how the aircraft landed at Maripur, Karachi, कि किस तरह हवाई जहाज मारीपुर के हवाई अड्डे पर उतरा। So it landed smoothly. And adverb of manner, what is the function of adverb of manner? Because it shows how does an action happens, and where it is placed. The place of adverb of manner is, it comes after the object, after the main verb or the object if any. For example, he sings. sweetly. So, main verb sweetly comes after the main verb. If object is added, then it comes after the object. He sings a song sweetly. The place of adverb of manner is after the main verb if there is no object. But when object is added, then it comes after the object. We can form a question of adverb of manner by how. For example, how does he swing? He swings sweetly. How does he sing a song? So he sing a song sweetly. It was watched by a vast excited crowd while smoothly landing. इसे एक बड़े पुरजोश हुजूम ने आराम से उतरती हुई देखा. First to step out of the aeroplane was a tall and dignified man wearing a pure white sherwani. और first to step out of the aeroplane, हवाई जहाज से बाहर कदम रखने वाला was a tall and dignified man, एक लंबा और मुअज़्ज़ज़ शख्स था. Tall, लंबा. It is an adjective. We can make its comparative by er and est. How? There are certain adjectives that make its comparative by taking more and most. Some adjective taking er and est. Where we can put er and est and where we can put more and most. It's quite easy. When a word is monosyllabic, we can make its comparative by er and est. For example, tall, it's monosyllabic. Monosyllabic means when it gives one sound, a syllable sound means sound. How can we know the word is monosyllabic or disyllabic or trisyllabic? Now we can identify the word by looking at the article. For example, tal, here is one article and it can give its sound tal. So it's monosyllabic. If a word is disyllabic, now we can make its comparative by er and est and more and most. But we have to look which one is common. Er, est is common or more or most is common. For example, happy, it's a disyllabic word. A and Y. Y is a semi-vowel and it can give the sound of vowel. So here are two vowels and they can give its sounds. So it's a disyllabic. Now its adjective is happier and happiest. And more happy and most happy are also correct. But the common one is happier and happiest. But more and most are also correct because when a word is disyllabic, we can use er and est, more and most. When a word is trisyllabic, so we can use more and most. For example, beautiful. So, beau. 1, 2, 3 article. But the sound is one, beau. 1 and u. There are 3 vowel sounds. So it is trisyllabic. More and most. So more beautiful and most beautiful. When 3 vowels come together and gives a sound, it is called tritongue. When 2 vowels comes together and they gives one sound, it is called disyllabic. When a vowel comes and it gives a sound, it is called monotongue. It is जहाज से बाहर कदम रखने वाला एक लंबा और मुअज़्ज़ज़ शख्स था wearing a pure white शेरवानी, जिसने बेदाग सफेद शेरवानी पहनी थी. प्योर, बेदाग, खालिस, जिस पर दाग नहीं था, बिल्कुल साफ सुथरा था. वाइट, सफेद, ये सफेद जूट है. It often comes in examination. This sentence, ये सफेद जूट है. It is a white lie. It is a white lie. As soon as he approached, the whole crowd roared with one voice. As soon as he approached, जो ही वो आगे बढ़ा. As soon as he approached, जो ही वो आगे बढ़ा. The whole crowd roared with one voice. तो पूरा हुजूम बैक आवाज चिल्लाने लगा. As soon as, when a sentence takes as soon as he approached, the whole crowd roared with one voice. We can make this sentence by no sooner did. No sooner did. As soon as he approached, so we can use here second form. But when we use no sooner did, then the first form in this sentence will be the second form in this sentence will be the first one. Approach. No sooner did he approach, no, then the second form will be converted into first form because it is already used here. As soon as he approached, the whole crowd roared with one voice. No sooner did he approach, the whole crowd roared with one voice. जो ही वो आगे बढ़ा, the whole crowd, तो पूरा हुजूम, roared with one voice, बैक आवाज चिल्लाने लगा. रोड, गुर्राना, चिल्लाना. पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद, पाकिस्तान जिंदाबाद किनारे. And everyone pushed forward to welcome him, to get as close to him as possible. And everyone pushed forward, और हर एक आगे बढ़ता रहा. To welcome him, उसे खुशामदीद कहने के लिए. To get as close to him as possible, ताकि हत्तल इम्कान हद तक उसके करीब हो जाए. In order to see him clearly, इस मकसद के लिए ताकि उसे साफ तौर पर देखे, वाज़ेह तौर पर देखे. वेलकम, खुशामदीद कहना. खुशामदीद कहना. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, अ सेंटेंस, मेहमान हुसूसी का गर्मजोशी से इस्तकबाल किया गया. Now how we can convert this sentence into Urdu? The chief guest was welcomed warmly. Yeah, for example, the chief guest was given a red carpet welcome. Welcome him, तो हर एक आगे बढ़ता रहा ताकि हत्तल इम्कान हद तक उसके करीब हो जाए और उसे खुशामदीद कहे. In order to see him clearly, इस मकसद के लिए कि उसे साफ तौर पर देखे. For here was their great leader कायद-ए-आज़म, क्योंकि वहाँ उनका अजीम रहनुमा कायद-ए-आज़म मौजूद था. The founder and first governor general of their new country, उनके नौजायद मुल्क का, नए मुल्क का बानी और पहला गवर्नर जनरल था. Here was their great leader. Here was their leader. यहाँ उनका रहनुमा था. Who had won Pakistan for them, जिसने उनके लिए पाकिस्तान हासिल किया था. win, हासिल करना, जीतना. जिसने उनके लिए पाकिस्तान हासिल किया था, मोहम्मद अली जना. So I have already told you about why do you think Qaid-e-Azam is a great leader? Because he had won Pakistan for the Muslim. He had won Pakistan for the Muslim of the subcontinent. He worked day and night to achieve a separate country for the Muslim of the subcontinent. So today the lecture I am going to wind up with these words. So nice of you. Stay with